Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to look put together every single day, please make sure to watch this 5-minute tutorial to the end, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are starting with a moisturized lips. I'm using my DIOR lip oil and I'm going in with my SEPHORA setting spray as my primer. Next, I'm going in with my SEPHORA skin tint. No foundation today. I just wanted something very light, something airy, something beautiful, and this just does the work for me. Now, I said I wanted something light on my face, right? But I still want that under eye to be full coverage, like completely gone. No dark circle, no sleepless night. I don't want you to see me and know that I've not been sleeping. So I went in with my Too Faced Born This Way full coverage concealer to conceal my face. And to contour my face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer stick, and I'm going in with my setting spray one more time for that easy blend. Guys, if you want an easy blend, please use your setting spray in between. Yes, I moisturized my lips again. I don't know why I did that, but I just did. And as you guys can see, I'm starting with my contour, and every single time I use my setting spray in between, the contour is just seamless and I love it. So why not? I always do it. After blending in my contour, next is concealer. I have fallen in love with this concealer. I love it. And I also like to leave the clips of me blending my concealer like longer so that you guys get to see how the blending process looks like. Well, I do edit some of the clips away, but of course I leave enough for you guys to really understand and see how the concealer blends in with my skin. I love this concealer, and of course I always go on top my eyelids whether I'm using eyeshadow or not. You guys already know that. And when you're blending in, always go back and forth with the contour with your contour sponge and the concealer sponge to just make sure that everything is seamless and looking beautiful. Once that's done, the next step is to set your face. Now, I've been using my Huda Beauty loose setting powder in the shade Blondie mixed with cinnamon bun, and this is just perfect. You guys can see what it looks like. I'm not the only one seeing this, right? This is so beautiful. I've been loving mixing these two powders together, and this is just gorgeous. Now, once I'm done setting my face, the next step is for me to go in with my face powder. Today, I'm actually using the Sephora's collection face powder in the shade Toffee. I'm just using that all over my face. I'm just making sure that everything is blended, everything looks seamless. I'm even going on top of the areas where I set my face as well. I'm just, like I said, my entire face, I'm setting it with this powder. And to set my contour areas, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is in the shade Thick Mint. I love this face bronzer, you guys already know that. And for the nose, I'm using my face powder Sephora's collection in the shade Sienna. Now, I did try this Sephora's collection blush and I love it. This blush it's not very pigmented, but it's beautiful, so you can keep adding as much as you want. And I love the fact that the powder dries down matte, so it's beautiful. For eyebrows, I want something very simple. Brush them up, use my brow pencil to slightly fill them in, and of course I'll be going back in with my brow gel to just brush everything up. And I'm not going in with any eyeshadow today, so I'm using my mascara, no lashes. I want something very simple, like I said, easy to walk out of the door. And I'm using my setting spray one more time. After that, you already know the next is lips. Now, I wanted to try my new Laneige Glaze tinted lip serum. So I wanted to try the shade Chocolate Frosting, and I used a brown lip pencil to outline my lips, and then I used the Makeup Forever Limitless Brown to fill in my lips. And after that, I just used my lip serum. Now, I do love the lip serum, but for this look I wanted something very simple. I want something that is very relatable, that you and I can just walk out of the door and look like we didn't put in too much effort. So this is what the makeup look looks like with the lip serum, but I decided to switch that up back to my DIOR lip oil, and this is what it looks like. So beautiful, so gorgeous. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and until my next video, bye.